Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel Luxury Point. Today we take a closer look at 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup truck. The 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup truck is a nostalgic yet modern masterpiece that pays homage to Chevrolet's rich heritage while embracing today's advanced automotive technology. Inspired by the iconic Chevy trucks of the 1950s, the 210 vintage is an embodiment of classic American craftsmanship fused with contemporary engineering. Designed for enthusiasts who appreciate the charm of vintage trucks but crave the performance and comfort of modern-day vehicles, the 210 vintage pickup stands as a symbol of timeless style and cutting-edge innovation. Friends, before dive into the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup truck, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more automobile reviews. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup doesn't compromise on power. This vintage-inspired truck is equipped with a powerful yet efficient 5.3-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking more power, an optional 6.2-liter V8 with 420 horsepower is available. Both engine options are paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a refined driving experience whether you're cruising down the highway or hauling heavy loads. Despite its retro looks, the 210 vintage is equipped with modern performance features such as an adaptive suspension system, allowing for smooth handling and improved ride quality on various terrains. Advanced braking and stability control systems ensure that the truck feels secure, even when pushed to its limits. For towing enthusiasts, the truck offers a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, making it a strong contender in its class for both work and leisure. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup truck is a true celebration of its mid-century roots, bringing back the classic design cues that made Chevy trucks of the 1950s so iconic. The wide front grille, round headlamps, and bold chrome accents scream vintage, while the flared fenders and two-tone paint options pay homage to the past with striking authenticity. Chevrolet has meticulously restored the silhouette, with the truck featuring smooth, rounded body lines, large front and rear bumpers, and a beautifully restored bed with wooden slats for that true vintage aesthetic. The retro-style badging and classic white-wall tires complete the look, creating a vehicle that is bound to turn heads. For the 2025 model, Chevrolet also added LED headlights and taillights for modern functionality without disrupting the vintage aesthetic. This marriage of old and new is what sets the 210 vintage apart. It's not just about recreating the past but about bringing it into the present with subtle but essential modern touches. Interior design. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup is where modern technology and comfort truly shine. While the exterior stays true to its vintage roots, the interior offers the latest in luxury and convenience. The bench seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, reminiscent of classic American cars. The dashboard design retains its simplistic charm but houses modern amenities, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto integration. The gauges have a retro look, featuring circular dials and chrome bezels, but they operate digitally for precision. An advanced heads-up display and customizable driver information center allow for easy access to critical information without taking your eyes off the road. Climate control, wireless phone charging, and a premium Bose sound system ensure that the interior feels as sophisticated as it is functional. In terms of space, the 210 vintage pickup offers a roomy cabin with ample legroom and storage options, making it perfect for both daily driving and long road trips. Fuel efficiency. Despite its V8 powerhouse, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup has been engineered for efficiency. Chevrolet's advanced fuel management system ensures that the engine automatically switches to a 4-cylinder mode during light driving conditions, conserving fuel without sacrificing power. The truck also features an automatic start-stop system, which shuts off the engine when idling to further improve fuel economy. In city driving, the 5.3-liter V8 offers around 16 miles per gallon (mpg), while highway efficiency can reach up to 22 mpg. The optional 6.2-liter engine provides slightly less efficiency, with an estimated 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway. While these numbers may not match smaller or hybrid trucks, they are impressive given the truck's size, power, and towing capacity. Friends, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling tribute to a golden era of automotive design, reimagined with today's best technology and performance capabilities. Whether you're a collector, a truck enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the beauty of classic design with modern comforts, the 210 vintage pickup offers an unparalleled driving experience. With its perfect blend of vintage aesthetics, robust performance, and modern features, this truck is a unique addition to the Chevrolet lineup, capturing the hearts of both old-school purists and modern-day drivers alike. I hope you will enjoy this detailed review. If you think this review is informative, then please like video and subscribe channel for more short reviews, and don't forget to share this review with your friends. We meet in next review. Stay happy and drive safe.